Hey everyone, it's Stephanie Rumisher Webb, and today I am making pickles. This is island style pickles. I actually purchased these are salad cucumbers. They are a lot smaller than the regular cucumbers and they have a few less seeds. And what I did was I peeled these off and I cut the tips, and now what I'm going to do is cut them once more, just in half. I'm going to show you guys a trick that I do that helps me when making this, and on Saipan we call this coco. So I'm cutting these in half. You can use any cucumbers that you want, whatever you prefer. But because we don't eat potatoes at our house, this is a potato peeler or a potato French fry slicer basically. And all I do is put this in and have it slice right out. And I have even pieces. So I am just pulling the ones out that has the seeds because I'm not going to use those. And there's about 2 or 3 of them that have it. And there you go. And this is what I'm going to do for every one of these. Pretty easy, pretty quick, and we are reusing what I already have. What I also have in front of me is vinegar. It's just white vinegar. I have sea salt. This is actually fine pink Himalaya salt. And I use accent, just a little bit of accent for flavor. And you can omit that if that is not something that you guys like to use. But I use it. And we also, I've got a special ingredient that I put in my pickles that only half of my family will eat, and that's donnie. It's a very hot pepper from the island of Saipan and Tinian, and my Nina, Ursula, Dawn, sent me home with this when we visited Saipan last. So I am truly grateful, and I'm very stingy because I don't use it a whole lot because I want to keep it, especially since I don't know how long it's going to be since when I go back. So, almost done here. And what we're going to do next is, so I have all of my cucumbers in this bowl right here, and all I'm going to do, and I already washed this, so I'm adding a little bit of salt, just enough to coat it, and I'm adding a little bit of the accent. I'm just going to mix this together. And it's always best to make this ahead of time, a couple of hours. And I'm getting all the flavors in, and I can feel the cucumber releasing their water. So that is a good thing. All right, so we've got this. Looks like this, and I'm using just plain vinegar, and I'm just putting a little bit in there, and mixing that. I am going to add a little bit of water, just so that it kind of coats everything. final step is putting my special hot peppers. And here we go. I'm only gonna put this much in. A little bit goes a long way. Super, super hot, and it smells really, really good, super spicy, exactly how I love it. And here we go. Mix it all together, and we are good. So enjoy.